Okay, so welcome to this video on Dinosaur de-extinction. It's at current time impossible to de-extinct dinosaurs because DNA degrades in 1 million years, but with artificial intelligence we can do image generation. So we're going to test in this video who is better, OpenAI Sora or Midjourney version 7. Okay, so the first task was the T-Rex, and the idea was to create a realistic T-Rex with feathers, proto feathers and detailed scales. Okay, so this is the images animated using morphstudio.com, and the winner is Midjourney because I think the feathers are clean and also the texture are amazing and the aesthetics are incredible. The next was the Velociraptor. The idea was to also add feathers, feathered Velociraptor. So as we see, this doesn't have feathers. So this is the Velociraptors animated, and the winner is OpenAI Sora because I like a lot the work on the arms of the feathers is amazing. The next, the Triceratops. The idea was to add polished horns and a mood texture skin. So for example, for the skin, Midjourney is better, for the legs too, but for the eyes, Sora is better. I like the work here and here, but we are giving a draw. Then the Stegosaurus. The idea was in the prompt to create a clean background and cinematics, high fidelity skin texture. So as you can see, the skin is very tailored. It's amazing, the skin texture. Here we have the eye clear. So the winner is Midjourney. Finally, the Brachiosaurus. The idea is a full body pose for the prompt. It is fully arched, visible skin pores, and the white background. And the winner is also Midjourney because I think the work is great on the texture and the skin. So now let's see Midjourney version 7 core concepts. First, they introduce draft mode. That is 10 times faster, so you can fast prototype and cost only half of the GPU and can create beautiful images. Another new feature is the conversational voice that you can prompt inside draft, so you can use your voice to generate a prompt, and the prompt will fine-tune using natural language processing and will give you the best prompt possible using your global personalization profile that now is required. So the AI learns your taste, learns your styles and your aesthetics, and will generate better generations. You can toggle it on or off. Also sharper details on anatomy, so it will create better hand and body parts. Also very important, my favorite, omni-reference. So the idea is that you can keep the same character, logo or object, so it's character consistent across every new prompt. So you create a character and you can put the character under different situations. For example, this dog, you added here at omni-reference, and you can create scenarios and different styles and places in which this dog interacts, so you can create stories. So it's great for the storytelling, for consistency. So Midjourney core ideas is draft mode, 10x faster, half the GPU cost. Omni-reference is for consistent character, logo, prop or creature creation. Global personalization profile, you spend 5 minutes, so Midjourney learns your aesthetics for all future generations, and you can toggle at any time. Sharper coherence and detail, better for bodies, hands and objects. And conversational mode, so using natural language processing, now it can convert your idea into better prompts, and you can iterate quickly using the draft mode. Okay, so the idea of omni-reference, as we say, is that it keeps consistent characters, objects and vehicles and non-human creatures, so you can create stories. So this feature is the king for storytelling because you need consistent characters. You can mix scenarios with 2 characters, 3 characters that they interact. Imagine you have a queen and a king, so you can interact with those characters, okay? Now let's see Sora OpenAI. OpenAI Sora is the king for text comes out clean. So for example, if you want to create an image for 4 most popular cocktails, you can be sure that the text almost all the time will be consistent and will be correct. So you can have an espresso, a mojito, okay? So it's great for commercial purposes and you don't spend time because sometimes the images, if they don't have the correct text, sometimes they can be used. Next, pick your canvas. So the image ratios are square, vertical and horizontal. So you can pick your image canvas before you generate. Now you can generate up to 4 images at a time or 4 videos. You need a pro tier. If you have the normal premium tier, you can generate 2 at a time. Also, a new Sora feature is that with 1 click, you can remix, tweak the prompt and get a fresh take without starting over. Also, you can turn any image into a video. You press the create video under an image to animate.
Finally, this tutorial is sponsored by me. Join Lux Ascend free today. Unlock early NFT mint links, earn whitelist status, and claim gorgeous high-utility Solana collections before anyone else. 0 cost, pure upside. Sign up, ascend, and prosper together with us. More than 1750 registered